All right, this is a video of our 150-ton Greenard 4-post hydraulic press, machine number 5476. It's located in Jackson, Michigan. It's a 1988 machine. Model number 4D as in David -110-48 by 36. It is a maximum stroke of 24 inches, 30 inches of daylight. Overall bed is 60 by 36 front to back. Distance between posts are 48 right to left, 24 front to back, giving us a usable bed and ram area of 48 by 36. The bed's T-slotted. Speeds on it are 293 inches rapid advance, maximum 23 inches pressing, and 295 return. It's got 4-inch diameter post, and it's a 12-inch bore cylinder. 20 horse motor and pump and tank, floor standing, 230, 460 volt. It does have a Allen Bradley Micrologix 1400 PLC, a new one, and complete with controls. It stands 132 inches high, and we're going to show it under power tee. Go ahead, Lou, start it. Infinite. Pinch mode. Rack and pinion guiding on the ram, front and back. Proximity switches located on the side. Cylinder appears to be in excellent condition. Horse motor and pump, 4-standing tank, control panel, where 230, 460, currently it is 460. It's Allen Bradley Micrologix 1400 PLC. I believe we have most of the prints on it. There's a pedestal control panel, palm buttons, key stand. Go ahead and turn it off.